Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your US bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up this search bar and type in US bank login and hit the search. Make sure guys it takes you to the official link www.usbank.com. Just click on that first link. Now you will be taken to the official website of US Bank. At the top right of your screen, you can see the login button. Just click on that login button to log in. See guys, over here the login form. Now you just need to choose the account type as I have already chosen the online banking. And guys, you just need to enter the username over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on show button to see your password. And click on remember my username for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on login button, you'll be easily access your account. If you don't have any account of US Bank, just click on create a username and password. This was for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.